In this video, you will see New York as it truly was at the dawn of the 20th century, brought back to life through real historical photographs. At the turn of the 20th century, New York enters a new era. The city grows at a breathtaking pace, transforming before the eyes of the world. The first skyscrapers rise above the streets, bridges and grand terminals appear, and powerful public buildings shape the skyline of a future metropolis. Here, the modern city is born, where technology, ambition, and human energy merge into a single, unstoppable force. Here, wealth and poverty collide, dreams and despair intertwine. Progress stands side by side with harsh reality. New York becomes the symbol of a new age, the place where the 20th century truly begins. This is the true story of a city that changed the world, a journey into the very moment when the modern era was born. Along Fifth Avenue and Broadway, endless streams of horse-drawn carriages and wagons flow through the streets, while the first automobiles begin to appear, quietly announcing the changes to come. The sidewalks are packed with people, shop windows glow with new products, newspaper vendors shout the latest headlines, and street merchants call out to passing crowds. The air is filled with noise, distant voices, the steady rhythm of hooves against stone, the rumble of wheels, and the ringing of streetcars cutting through the traffic. Crowds move in every direction, elegant ladies in long dresses, businessmen in dark coats, exhausted workers, and newly arrived immigrants, all hurrying to work, to shops, to banks, and to theaters, each person carried forward by the unstoppable momentum of the city. New York lives at a relentless pace, where every minute has value, and hesitation is a luxury few can afford. Movement never truly stops here. It is in these streets that the true pulse of the city can be felt. Its raw energy, its ambition, and its unbreakable drive to grow, to build, and to reach ever higher. This is the true story of a city that changed the world, a journey into the very moment when the modern era was born. Along Fifth Avenue rise magnificent mansions belonging to the wealthiest families in America. Industrialists, bankers, and powerful tycoons create a world of true luxury here, where marble, gold, and fine art become part of everyday life. Theaters, grand concert halls, and elite clubs shape the cultural heart of the city. It is here that a new American aristocracy is born, displaying its influence and power in every architectural detail and every social gesture. But just a few blocks away from this world of luxury, a very different New York begins. In overcrowded tenement buildings and narrow inner courtyards live immigrants who arrived in America in search of hope. Italians, Jews, Irish, and Germans crowd into tiny rooms, work 12 hours a day, and fight for every hard-earned cent. Laundry hangs between the buildings, small shops buzz with trade, and the streets are filled with voices, smells, and constant noise. It is here that the working class is formed, becoming the foundation of the city's growing economic power. Despite the harsh conditions, the city never stops living. Parades move through the streets, children fill the schools, people seek comfort in churches, and shops are crowded with customers. Festivals, marches, and public events bring moments of joy and create a sense of unity. Even in their constant struggle to survive, the people of New York find the strength to dream, to hope, and to believe in a better future. For this giant to survive and grow, it needs a powerful and ever-expanding system of transportation and communication. Ferries constantly cross the rivers, railways connect distant districts, and massive bridges link the shores, turning the city into a single living organism that never sleeps. Engineers lay new roads, improve the streets, and create new standards for urban life, reshaping the city day after day. New York becomes a true laboratory of progress, where the foundations of the modern metropolis are being shaped before the eyes of the world. But behind this grand growth lies a human tragedy. The city endures harsh winters, poverty, disease, and loss. People say goodbye to their loved ones, work until exhaustion, and face the brutal reality of big city life. Here, pain and hope, despair and faith exist side by side, creating a complex and deeply emotional portrait of New York at the dawn of the 20th century. Decades pass, old buildings disappear, streets and generations change. Yet the spirit of New York from that era lives on forever. It is a city that united millions of destinies, became a symbol of dreams, and turned into the embodiment of human ambition. It was here, in 1900, that the foundations were laid for the metropolis the world knows and admires today.